What's up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I might have to come up with a new intro, but I don't care. My grandmother said, whenever you greet somebody, say good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So that's the way I talk to you guys to greet you, let you know, hey, whenever I would call on the phone, she would tell me, say good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time of the day. So whatever time of the day you're watching this video, thank you for watching, because you really don't have to watch my videos. Ain't that right, Steve?
Hell yeah.
But we appreciate the support. Grandma appreciates the support. Freaking Megazord and Top Secret appreciate the support. But unfortunately, I hate to start this video off on a bad foot. Somebody stole our EG hatch. We have two of them. I have my B21 and Narina has her regular single cam one. And unfortunately, somebody stole that car. It sucks because it's like we work really hard. We have regular jobs. We're not millionaires. We're not thousandaires. We're not living from check to check anymore. Thank God. But we're in a position of life where it's like we can afford to buy some things here and there. And that little shit box was something like she wanted and I wanted, and we were able to have two of them. Now we're only down to one. Like Guru says, why do bad things happen to good people? Life is just a constant war between good and evil. The situation that I'm facing is mad amazing. So on a good note, we are in a position that a lot of people aren't. I get a lot of help, a lot of support, not only from you, from other companies. And I want to say thank you, everybody, because you don't have to watch my videos, but you do. But thank you. And on a side note, for this video, for the longest, I wanted an R34 without a trunk wing. And when I was able to get my new 34, you guys see the red one, I was able to get it with the trunkless wing, which I've always wanted. And for years and years and years, I told myself, if I'm going to run a wing, I'm going to run a wing that I like. There are plenty of them out there. You could put the GTR wing on it. I'm not a big fan of GTR wings on GTTs. Only reason why is because the body line is kind of narrow. GTR wing is made for GTR. There's that one. There's a few other ones, but pretty much the basis of the story, I've been talking back and forth with Big Country Labs about possibly putting a wing on my car for the last 2 to 3 years. And they were like always telling me, we're cooking up something, just be patient. And I was like, okay, cool. I support you guys. They always mess with me in a weird way. Like, I talked to the owner, him and I talk shit back and forth. We've had lunch multiple times and we've kicked it. Dude's mad cool. Appreciate you. And the people that work for him, real cool. Appreciate y'all. And with that being said, they ended up breaking me, y'all. They hit me up, told me about something. I was like, for sure. And the problem is, I told him, like, bruh, I don't really want to run a wing on my trunk because I've always wanted a trunkless wing. Let me figure out some things. So my boy, y'all know him, my boy Mike Enrico, with his purple 34, I hit him up. I was like, yo, would you happen to have an extra trunk? And he was like, yeah, dog, I actually do. So we're going to open this box. Bear with me. My room is looking a little better, y'all. Shout out to Hal Tech, Bootyhustlers. We always doing something. And I want to show y'all something. We got this new shirt that may or may not come out. For all the people who are kind of like scared to wear Bootyhustlers merch, we may or may not drop this, depending on how y'all act. You feel me? We got that. We got the windbreakers. Dang, I got all this stuff over here, but we gonna see. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna open this box real quick. All right, y'all, I had to take the GoPro off the mount. I had it held up. The lighting in here, it's in my room. It's comfortable in here. But like my 4th grade teacher, Ms. Schumann, said, any project you present to the class will be graded on 85% presentation. The other 15% is the information. So everything you present to someone should always be great. That's why Big Tune is always yelling at me about my shitty quality videos. He's like, yo, we didn't buy all this shit so you can make shitty videos. Shout out to you, Big Tuna. We trying. So with that being said, look, badass bolt kit. They give you the sizes. They could have gave me some really generic ass cellophane wrap with some nonsense on it, but they didn't. Gave me the slaps for 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, where'd the other one go? Oh, here we go. 5 of those joints. And then the thing I like, everything is by one, it's all saran wrap. So you look at this. Official adhesion banding. For those who accept no less than the real shit. I'm excited, y'all. I've never really been excited about a wing, but I'm excited, y'all. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. So if you don't know what you're looking at, look at it from the back. Look at it from the back. This kind of like the 32 wing, the R32 wing, but the cool thing about this is it's universal. It's universal, so you put that joint on there. And it looks like it might hang over a little bit, just the way I wanted it if I was to put a wing on here, because this thing about to be wet, y'all. So let's head to Mike and Rico's shop, see if he actually has his trunk, and we can figure it out, y'all. We gonna get on the road. If y'all don't know Mike has an R34, and since I'm putting my BCL wing on this car, this beautiful man, BCL, sent me a new. You got to see it once it's on.
I gotta see.
It's not what you think it is.
I've been contemplating if I wanted one or not.
Hey,
Roy
bro.
Ain't hit me back yet, so Roy hit me back.
Oh, hold on. I didn't say this man's name, just so they don't bombard him.
That's the alias.
Alias. So BCL sent me a wing. Y'all know that. I already unboxed it. Mike and Rico has a spare wing right there, and this man's kind enough to let me borrow it.
Well, what's mine is yours. You know, we always borrow each other's stuff.
Low key, we the only, like, there's only very few 4-door 34 besides Mike. There's John,
and now
Pablo.
John, okay, Pablo,
and a few others that I don't want to name, but y'all know who y'all are. Not
key.
Tuna. Y'all thinking of the wrong. The dude who bought my old car. You know. So, we're just going.
And 4 of them magically appeared here in America.
I don't know where they come from. I saw this truck literally 15 minutes ago zooming down the street. Yeah.
That was he doing a delivery, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. That's Jacob.
Mike and Rico, you want to tell people a little bit about what you got going on here, or does it matter?
So, no, it's all good. I mean, we do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to catch up to Gary. But for the most part, we mainly do Airstream restoration. We get these old trailers, we doll them up, make them look dope. But my main thing is importing. So we do parts, we do cars, anything that's cool.
Are those some Terrano bumpers I see?
So this right here, this is my boy Jacob. This guy's a legend. He's gonna be a legend. He fucks with the Run Free group. He's a competitor in Japan. He speaks Japanese.
Do you mind being on camera before I record you?
Yes, man, dude. Thank you for asking for consent.
Yes.
You're all good, dude.
So are we good?
We good?
All right.
We can do it. This is Jacob too.
Okay.
I'm over there bending over, getting my TRD shocks in order. I'm over.
Listen, I'm not corny. I don't like recreating things, so it's all about natural feel.
Yeah, you
however you feel when I'm filming.
My ass, bro. I know y'all booty hustlers, so like, if y'all feeling it, fuck with that. We good.
For sure. Oh, what do you do?
I am an A86 specialist. I am a sponsored drift driver in the 86 Drift Champions Cup, and I am an A86 enthusiast for fucking life. All I do is parts. My car right there under the tarp. I'll take it out so y'all can see if you'd like. But for now, man, honestly, I'm just slanging.
You hustling?
Yeah, we hustling.
That's what I like to hear, baby. That's what I like to hear. So this man hustling. Do you mind being on camera?
I'm down.
Okay.
Dave hustling hard.
You a hustler too?
Absolutely.
This man's a hustler.
Had to. Hey, I support your fucking clothing. You go hard. You inspire people like me all the time. So.
Hey, I appreciate that, Dave.
Hard,
you a real black all-star today. Everybody's an all-star in here.
Yep.
This is clean. The man left, but he's metal. Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah, it's actually like
is it?
Stainless steel, dude.
That's metal.
Yeah, it's metal, dude. Stainless.
This a real Corolla.
Yeah.
This nice too. These 14s.
Yep.
Got the little hood on here. TRD catalog. This man flexing.
Good line. They make crazy shit like.
I like the hood.
Expert Oz. They make like custom floor mats. He's doing a mild restoration, you know.
Okay.
The kid's young.
Is he gonna drift this?
Oh, that fool.
He's restoring it to drift it?
I don't know what he's doing, but he's gonna swing it. That's for sure. I gotta show you something, bro.
All right. I'm sorry, I just ate.
So Brad reached out to me
to
get you a little Christmas gift.
Okay.
Birthday present. I don't know what it was, but He said your car's missing something besides a side skirt.
Okay. In true Bradley Saxton fashion.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
He's making it happen.
Oh shit.
All the JDM cars,
Bruh.
all the JDM joints.
My last joint had this. Is these for this?
Them is for that. Yep.
Wow. Now I gotta. How do I put these on?
So what you do?
Double side tape.
Yes, but we have to remove all this shit.
Mm-hmm.
And then put the double-sided tape in there and just literally stick it on there.
That's it,
And it
boy.
looks like this.
There you go. This man finally got me the trunk.
I think it looked better.
It looked better without that big ass wing you had on there.
It's going, man. I know.
This lunch tape. Just put a couple of hot burners under
I
there.
do got some bar stools in the back, so when it gets down, it gets down. You know what I mean?
Scrub it real quick. Put some oil and
Quarantine mobile bar, bro.
some
Straight up.
onions.
Yeah.
You make your onion volcano, my boy.
Why not, bro?
Well, sure, man.
Doing a couple tricks here and there.
Hopefully we can get this joint loaded up on here before they start getting into their adult activities.
You got right there, bro. You got
I'm
some swishers?
gonna keep that off. I'm gonna keep this off the camera.
You got some swishers,
I'm just saying this isn't the only purple that's around here tonight. There we go. I want y'all to. Ooh, this look tough, right? This look like something out of an anime.
Bro, it's
So it's the next day. I know we stayed at Mike's shop way too long, and I was waiting for the guy next door to come over and see if he could help. Well, not help. He's gonna actually mount the trunk, the wing on the trunk. Because where is my key? Where is my key? Because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm not about to mount that trunk. This man's checking it out, seeing if he can get the task done. I know he can. This man's the greatest, one of the greatest that I know. You think it might be hard, or what you thinking?
No, bro, I mean, pretty simple, bro. Just 4 bolts and it should be good.
You make, to me, it's all mathematics. Let me grab this hardware for you real quick. Oh my, oh my God. This man, it don't look too bad. It,
All right.
it did,
Galaxy purple.
right? That don't look too bad. I gotta put this on still though. Wanna help me real quick? Hold on, man. Boy, look at it, y'all. Now we gotta, now low key, if I gotta get this wrapped, what I gotta do? I gotta give it back to you to sand it?
Yes, sir.
Look at it, y'all. This shit look kinda tough.
The aerodynamics. Cutting through the wind.
Should look good. Now it's almost a complete car now. I'm a race rocket now.
Cool, bro.
Yeah, man.
I'm checking the brake light because I just
Oh, for sure.
Probably if it turns on.
It does. It does. I gotta block this plate out. For sure, man. Yeah. All right, well, let me thank you, George. I mean, George.
Yeah.
Gio. Sorry, messed up your name. This man gonna beat my ass. And I'll shoot that to you and let's get on. That boy squiggling and wiggling.